Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can add people to our favorites. So for just adding people to our favorites, firstly we have to just go to the favorite parts, and which is available on this option. When you click on that Instagram on the left hand side, you can see over here that there's an option for a favorite. You have to just click on that, and for adding people to the favorite you have to just click on over 3 stars line over here. And once you click on that, you can see over here that there are the suggestions for you, in which you can just click on add, and that particular people will be just added to your favorite. You can also search for them on the search box. And what this means, this favorite actually means, it will just mean that you can have 1,000 or the 2,000 or the lakh followers, but still you can just have the favorite list in which you just add the people which you like the most, and you can see the post of only those people. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.